Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday said bringing cheetahs back to India will help in the restoration of open forest and grassland ecosystems and also lead to enhanced livelihood opportunities for the local community. Prime Minister Modi, who turned 72 today, released cheetahs flown in from Namibia into a special enclosure at the Kuno National Park in Madhya Pradesh. Cheetahs brought from Namibia are being introduced in India under Project Cheetah, the world's first intercontinental large wild carnivore translocation project. The Prime Minister also interacted with Cheetah Mitras, Cheetah Rehabilitation Management Group, and students at the venue. Addressing the nation on the occasion, Prime Minister expressed gratitude by highlighting a handful of opportunities that give humanity a chance to rectify the past and build a new future. PM Modi said, decades ago, the age-old link of biodiversity that was broken and became extinct today, we have a chance to restore it. Today, the cheetah has returned to the soil of India. The Prime Minister underlined that this monumental occasion has led to the nature-loving consciousness of India being awakened with full force.